Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add KRA in Zoho People. All right, so first up, I'll log into your account. Now go to the top right and click on the gear icon, like so. Now go ahead and find performance. Click on it, and once done, if this is the first time you clicked on performance, there will be a pop-up, okay? Just like 3 pages where you'll want to go ahead and just click on the arrow keys, okay? Basically, right arrow key. Click it 3 times and you'll be landed in this page. So what you'll do is just basically enable this option, KRA and goals. And by default, KRA will be enabled. Okay. Now go ahead and click on KRA right here and set this up however you want. Okay. You can enable approvals right here, like set up an approval process to be triggered when employee adds or tags a KRA. Hit on save. If you want to configure it right here, click on this hyperlink and just add your own if you are the admin or the owner of the organization. KRA approval. Scroll down, configure approval right here or approver. Reporting to is department head. Okay. Set this up however you want and just click on add. There you go. Now go back to the last page right here. Click on save. There you go. You'd also sort KRA by weight right here or weightage range. Okay, set this up however you want. And when you go ahead over to the left panel right here under performance, here you have KRA. Okay, just wait for it to load and all of your data will be listed in here. And when you go to team right here at the top and KRA, you can go ahead and tag the KRA right here to a specific employee. Okay, and then once done, just hit on save. There you go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you at the next one.